Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Engineering Mathematics DJ Ganit. Today we will discuss one more problem on change of order of integration in double integrals. Before going for today's problem, we just make this remark. We have made this type of remark in some of the previous lectures, that if we have this type of curve y equal to ax square plus bx plus c, then if this coefficient of x square is non-zero, then this represents a parabola either in this upward direction or in lower direction. Here a is positive, here a is negative. Now in this equation, if we interchange role of x and y, then our equation is x equal to ay square plus by plus c. So this is also a parabola if coefficient of y square, which is a, is non-zero, and its graph is like this. So if a is positive, then shape of parabola is in this form, and if a is negative, then this is the shape of parabola. We can rewrite this parabola in that vertex form also. We can rewrite in this form also: y minus k square equal to some constant time x minus h. So here vertex of this parabola is hk. So this point is hk, and if a is positive, we have this shape. For a negative, we have this shape. So this is the vertex form of parabola in which we have square of variable y and x is having 1 degree. So we will remember this standard form of parabola so that we can decide the shape of given parabola in our problem. For a positive, we have this shape, and if a is negative, we have this shape, and vertex is h comma k. So to decide the vertex of the parabola, we can represent our parabola in this form so that we can easily decide what is the vertex of the given parabola. So with this in mind, we consider this problem. Here we are asked to evaluate this double integral by reversing or changing the order of integration. So first we write down the given information. In given integral, order of integration is first with respect to x and then with respect to y. So because first integration is with respect to x, these are the limits of x and these are the limits of y. So in given integral, x is from 0 to 4 minus y square and y is from 0 to 2. And in given integral, order of integration is first with respect to x and then with respect to y. So we have to change this order. In this order, we have to change given integral from dx dy to dy dx. Now for this order, we use horizontal line. So to change the order or to obtain this order, we will use vertical line passing through the region. Now using the given limits, we can sketch the region of integration. So here x is from 0 to 4 minus y square and y is from 0 to 2. Now we can rewrite this equation. It represents a parabola. So we can rewrite in this way. From this we can write y square equal to 4 minus x, and 4 minus x can be rewritten as minus 1 times x minus 4. And we rewrite y square as square of y minus 0. So we can compare with this standard form of the parabola, y minus k square equal to a times x minus h. So if we compare this equation with this vertex form of parabola, we can see value of h is 4 and value of k is 0. So vertex is order pair 4 0. And value of a is minus 1, which is negative. So shape of parabola will be in this form because a is negative and vertex is 4 0. So before sketching this parabola, we decide what are the intersecting points of this parabola with other given lines. So to decide intersecting points of these two curves, we put y equal to 2 here. So if we put y equal to 2, we have x equal to 4 minus 4, which is 0. So these two will intersect at order pair 4, 0. Similarly, if we consider these two, if we put y equal to 0, then also x is 4. So these two will also intersect at 4, 0. If we put y equal to 0, we have 4 minus 0 equal to x. So these two will also intersect at 4, 0. And if we put x equal to 0, we have 4 minus y square equal to 0. That will give me y square equal to 4, which implies y equal to plus or minus 2. So x equal to 0 and x equal to 4 minus y square will intersect at order pair 0 plus or minus 2. So we have written all these things here. Putting y equal to 2 in x equal to 4 minus y square, we obtain x equal to 0. So therefore y equal to 2 intersects x equal to 4 minus y square at 0, 2. Similarly, if we put y equal to 0 here, x is 4. So these two intersect at 4, 0. And as we discussed, x equal to 4 minus y square intersects x equal to 0 at these 2 points, 0, 2, 0, minus 2. So with this in mind, we can sketch the region of integration. So we have to sketch this parabola and these three lines. X equal to 0, y equal to 0 means y-axis and x-axis. So we have to draw y equal to 2, x equal to 4 minus y square with x-axis and y-axis. So I have already sketched x-axis and y-axis to save the time. Now we decide the maximum scale on x-axis and y-axis. So on x-axis maximum scale required is 4 and on y-axis we have to go up to 2. So suppose this distance is 2. So this point is 2, 0 and this point is 4, 0. And suppose this distance is also 2. So it is 0 order pair 0, 2. X-axis means y equal to 0 and another lines are y-axis which is x equal to 0 and y equal to 2 and x equal to 4 minus y square. So y equal to 2 is the line parallel to x-axis passing through this point. It is horizontal line. We can extend on both sides. So this is the line y equal to 2, y equal to 0 and x equal to 0 and x equal to 4 minus y square is passing through 0, 2 and 4, 0 and it is having vertex at point 4, 0. And because this a is negative, shape will be in this way. So parabola is passing through vertex 4, 0 and points 0, 2 and 0, minus 2. And it is intersecting this line at 0, 2. It is passing through 4, 0 and here also it will pass through this point which is 0, minus 2. So it will intersect x-axis at 4, 0, this y equal to 2 at 0, 2 and 0, minus 2. So now we can sketch roughly. We have to be careful. Here we require that our parabola is passing through these 2 points. So approximately we assume that this is the parabola. X equal to 4 minus y square. So now we have sketched all these curves. X is 4 minus y square, y equal to 0, y equal to 2 and x equal to 0. Now limits of integration are y is in between 0 and 2 and x is starting from 0 to 4 minus y square. So x is 0 means we have to start from this, and x equal to 4 minus y square, but y is in between 0 and 2, so we will not consider the portion of parabola. We will not consider the region which is below x-axis because y is in between 0 and 2. So and x is starting from 0 and it is going up to parabola. So this is the region of integration. So now we can decide the order of integration in given integral is first with respect to x and then with respect to y. So for this type of order we consider horizontal line, and here we are asked to reverse the order of integration. So we require this order first with respect to y and then with respect to x. So therefore we must consider vertical line to change the order of integration. So now we consider vertical line passing through the region, and here there is no problem. We can consider vertical line in any part of the region. It will enter on the same curve and it will leave on the same curve. Now on this line x becomes constant and y is changing. Now the line enters the region at this point which is on x-axis. At this point value of y is 0. Now this point is on the parabola x equal to 4 minus y square. So we have to decide value of y at this point. So if we solve for y, we can write y square equal to 4 minus x, and that will give me y equal to plus or minus square root of 4 minus x. But here I consider positive square root because we are above x-axis and here value of y is positive. So we will not consider y equal to negative square root of 4 minus x. So now here we write that line leaves the region at y equal to square root of 4 minus x. Now we have to concentrate on lowermost points of the region and leftmost points of the region and rightmost points of the region. So all these are leftmost points of the region and all these points are on y-axis, and value of x is 0 on y-axis. So lower limit for x is 0, and we have to go up to this point. This is the rightmost point of the region and the value of x at this point is 4. So x is from 0 to 4. We have to start from these points and we have to go up to this point. So x is from 0 to 4 and y is from 0 to y equal to under root of 4 minus x. So we have written all these things. The region of integration is as shown in figure. To change the order of integration, we draw vertical line passing through the region as we have done here. So now we are able to write down the integral which is obtained by changing the order of integration. Before that, we write down the new limits of integration. The new limits of integration are y is from 0 to y equal to square root of 4 minus x, y equal to 0 to y equal to square root of 4 minus x, and x equal to 0 to x equal to 4. So therefore now the new order of integration is order of integration is first with respect to y and then with respect to x. So therefore given double integral is equivalent to, first we write down the given double integral. It is y dx dy y dx dy. Here we have 0 to 4 minus y square and y is from 0 to 2. So this is equivalent to, so instead of dx dy now we have y dy dx, and here y is from 0 to square root of 4 minus x and x is from 0 to 4. So order of integration is changed from dx dy to dy dx, and y is from 0 to square root of 4 minus x, x is from 0 to 4. So now we evaluate this double integral. First we integrate this, first we find out value of inner integral. Here integral is with respect to y, so we will treat x as constant, but there is no x term, so no problem. And integral of y is y square by 2. Limits of y are from 0 to square root of 4 minus x, and then we integrate with respect to x from x equal to 0 to x equal to 4. So if we put y equal to square root of 4 minus x, it is 4 minus x divided by 2 and minus y equal to 0. So we have 4 minus x divided by 2 dx. For lower limit this becomes 0. So now we can take 1 by 2 outside, and integral is 4x minus x square divided by 2, and x is from 0 to 4. So if we put x equal to 4, we have 4 into 4 which is 16, and if we put x equal to 4 here also we have 16 divided by 2. For lower limit it is 0. So now we can take 16 common, and we have 1 minus 1 by 2, that is 1 by 2 into 16 into 1 by 2. So this we obtain integral is having value 4. So therefore value of given double integral is obtained by changing the order of integration. It is nothing but value of this integral which we obtain after changing the order of integration is 4. If we wish we can go in this order also, but here we are strictly asked to find the value by reversing the order of integration. So therefore we must first change the order of integration, and then we have to integrate with respect to new limits of integration. So this is all about today's session. Thanks for watching.